So here I am coming down towards the end of Putson Avenue that comes out onto Hinton Road. So it looks like the council or someone have come out and put some barriers and a sign up. And the water from where I was parked this morning, because I reversed into that driveway to get back, is actually coming even further up. So it is getting higher up the road, I think, from where I was. So that's going down to Hinton Road. You got Manor Fish Bar down that road there. Bus stop that we need to go. This is all flooded up here. And that's heading down towards Homelease Road. So, as you can see, absolutely flooded. And that's got to be a good 2 to 3 foot of water. Mental. So I've just come down an alleyway from Orchard Gardens, go towards Riverview, and this is Homelease Road, as it is. So pretty mental, pretty crazy. So that down there heads to the Y-In and Homelease Road. So we're going to head up towards the junction of Putson Avenue and Winston Road and all that. Let's have a look at that. So this is the start of the flooding from Homelease Road. So this is Winston Road over here, Putson Avenue, Homelease Road going up towards the Co-op and Tesco Express. So flooding starts there. Cars coming down, having to turn down Winston Avenue because, we'll turn back around because they're not going to get down Putson Avenue, or not Putson Avenue, but Hinton Road. So a lot of cars are going to be stuck today, I think. Absolutely mental. So this is the junction of Putson Avenue from the other end. Road closed, flood. So it's cars all trying to go in different directions. Road closed there. That's heading down towards Homelease Road. As we saw, that car's has gone through a massive puddle. Obviously can't get through. Not sure what it's going to try and do, but you're going to struggle to get anywhere today, to be honest. Cray. So this is the end, this is the scene from Putson Avenue, so that's where I was stood earlier recording. So this is all flooded. I'm guessing this is all coming up through the drains and from the river down that way by the Manor Fish Bar. Cray. So there's a 4x4 response going down Homelease Road towards the Y-In. So as you can see, the water probably a good third up his wheels. See how far he'll get. Still is slowly pushing his way through it. So that's probably what, a good foot or two up the car, I think. He's slowly pushing his way through. I wonder who saves him if he gets stuck. And the reverse lights are on. And that's probably about as far as he's willing to push, to be honest. There we go. Now heading down Homelease Road towards the junction of Putson Avenue up here. That way goes down towards the Y. And that looks pretty wrecked, to be honest. So that might be a way that I'm heading back home in a minute. But yeah, it's like all pretty cut off. I mean, oh, look how deep that is. That is cray, to be quite honest. The road liable to flooding, 400 yards. A bit less than that, to be honest, pal. So look at this up here, and that's probably about as far as I can get. I can see. So we've got a pair of wellies. So this is the corner I came to this morning, the opposite end of Putson Avenue. Wading through, and it's almost as high as I'm willing to go, I think, because I don't really want to get wet legs. So there's a curb there, so that gets me up a little bit more. You can see how high it is on that car. Up to his wheel, basically, top of the wheel, and possibly still rising. And look, that is almost at the top of my wellies, so I'm not going to go any more that way because I don't want to get wet legs. So I've just come down the alleyway from Putson Avenue, so that's a river view up there. So there's the little stream, the brook, and well, we saw this back in October when all this flooded, but it didn't come up as high as this last time. There's a bloke gone down there with his dog. His dog's having a whale of a time. Let's see how deep this goes, shall we? So you got the Y in over there. Oh, I got a wet foot now. I think that went over the top rather than through a hole, so that's a little bit good. So yeah, FC Morgan close. There's a bloke coming back with his dog. Absolutely mental. Again, this is overlooking, so you got the Y over there, you see the picnic tables. So the stream bit usually goes around the back of this, the garages. So this is like leading to the back, or technically the front of Riverview. So the river never usually gets this high up to this wall. So that's leading over to like Barsham Farms and Barsham Dairies, whatnot. Cray. Now I'm heading in to dry off a little bit.